Hey guys, it's Marissa here to talk to you about the 3 tips that you're going to want to remember as you're a host. So, first things first, when we get you to the $1,000 in sales, you're going to get a ton for free. But we're not going to do this alone. I'm here to help. So, it will be a team effort. Number one, you want to invite people personally. One of the biggest problems with any Facebook group that you're saying, come to my party, let's do this, is just clicking name, 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 name. They're not as willing to join your group and be interested to support you unless you are to give them a personal message. You can come up with that message and then just change their name as you send it, or maybe a general, hey, I'm really interested in Norwex. I'm going to do a party, really hoping you could come and support me, learn some more. However you want to make that, but make it personal, because when you just click and invite people, they don't want to do it. Number two, the number of people you invite. So it says here 50 to 100 people. I know that's really intimidating to most. It's intimidating to me. But what we want to think about is a broad category of people, getting people from your family, people from your work, people that are your friends. So having a large variety of people, because if we break it down, only a fourth of the people that you invite are going to interact and purchase. So the more you invite, the more luck we're going to have. And honestly, there's no reason for people to not want to buy these products these days, because it is a game changer and they're worth sharing. So the more people we have, the more fun we have, and it will be awesome. Number three is making sure you interact with the party. Now, I'm not expecting you to be on all day. I'm not expecting you to comment on every single thing. But if a friend of yours posts a question, feel free to jump in or say, hey, great question, or like the post. Responding to certain things, that would be things that you're capable of answering. Liking things, maybe tagging someone like, oh my gosh, this bottle brush is going to be amazing. Tag a friend and introduce them to a product, things like that. Super easy things that you would normally do on your own Facebook wall, but now we're just doing it in a group. And the good thing about doing a multi-vendor event, which is something I hope that you guys are enrolled in, is that there's more people, more activity. So some people you may know, some people you may not. So we want to make sure that you're interacting and having fun. I'm going to interact and have fun, and we are here to get you your awesome rewards. And the best part is everybody wins when they get Norwex. So let's do it together. Thank you so much for watching.